Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'll be showing you guys how to make side hustle from anywhere around the world. Alright, so I'm not promising you guys millions of naira with an S as a newbie into this, no. But I'm going to show you how to compound your way out of being broke to having financial stability in anywhere around the world. As long as Google approves that country as being eligible for this platform. All right. I'm going to show you guys how I do it, the secret on how I do it too. So you might be saying, sir, you might be asking the question that, sir, probably, sir, I did this last 2 3 years ago and I didn't get the best of it. Sir, someone scammed me. Sir, we probably have one question on the order. Just calm down. By the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how I did it and how I became very independent using Google Admob as a platform for financial stability. All right. So this is for my payments for this month, $8,000. Last month, $7,000. Today, 121. Yesterday, 145. And today is 21st. Look at it here. Today is 21st of July. Can I say it too? So these my payments proofs from last 3 years, last year, my students in Nigeria, abroad too. All right. So this from Twitter, I see my payments receipt, $8,000. All right. This for my virtual accounts, which I'll be showing you guys later on how to go about with this particular thing here. This virtual accounts. All right. This deposit of 13 million naira. My payments today. This is can you see this for the month of this for July, 13 million. Can you see it? So let me show you guys my previous payments proofs. This for the month of June, 12 million. Can you see? Can you see? These are my other proofs. This for the month of March 2024. I made 7 million from this. For this for the month, this for the month of April, I made 5 million from this. And this month has been my best month because it gave me the highest amount so far. For this for the month of February, this for the month of December 2022, I made 5.7 million from this. This for my student. He made, can you see, 994,000 as his first timer. So this for the month of November 2022. This for my students abroad. I helped him to verify his account on Google Admob. Can you see? So there are many proofs from this. I mean, this for another students abroad. Look at his ID card verified, address verified. So there are many. Look at from that person here. I helped him to verify his account for payment. Can you see? He thought it was a scam initially. So there are many proofs in this. So many proofs in this. Literally few I can get for now. So let me show you guys quickly on how I go about this. So first of all, let me show you the website. Here. So the website is called Google Admob. There's it here. See other tabs. There's it here. Google Admob. So this is the website here. Admob.google.com. That's the website name here. Admob.google.com. So look at the right up here. You work hard on your app. Admob makes any revenue easy with in-app ads. Can you see? First of all, the keyword there is you work hard on your app. One. Number two, then Admob now makes revenue easy with in-application advertisements. In-app ads means in-application advertisements. All right. So first of all, you need an app. All right. That's the only thing that's the requirement from you. Having an app that has a real life function. Then registering for Google Admob, which is this website here. Linking that app to this account, to your Google Admob account, and earn from it for a lifetime. With my mentorship program, you're set for life. You're sure of minimum of every month $2,000 as a newbie in Google Admob. I'll make it possible for you. All right. So I have different apps up for sale. All right. That's the only thing. That's the only payment. It's a one-time payment. Have purchasing an app. That's just all you need. And registering to Google Admob and you earn money from it. So let me show you the number of apps I have. So first of all, I also too. This app is what I use for my payments for virtual accounts. Great app, right? So my students already know how it works because I told them how everything works too. Great app is on Play Store, iOS Store. So first of all, I have an anti-ban script. All right, is it here? Anti-ban script. It enables me in higher Google Admob. You can't see it on your Play Store or your iOS store. No, I made myself for Google Admob, and that's paying me for more than 2 3 years now. Can you see here? Can you see here? This app is what is real deal. So here, put your banner code, there's a video code, whatever video code. Maybe asking sir, what does this code actually means? This code is what links your app to your mobile account. This code is what enables advertisements, which another advertisement on your app, which in turn make Google pay you for a lifetime. All right, click on next. And you can only get it from me. Yeah, clicks in it next. Click on OK. So look at the apps up for sale here. So I have an ebook app up for sale. It has a real life function. You can use it to store your ebooks. All right, the library. All right, come in. Sorry, network is kind of bad, but let me show you guys other apps. So this is the Alien Puzzle app. Can you see? You choose your player. You can choose another player too. I don't want the video to be so long, so that I'm going to skip this one. Look at another one. So if you download the app too, can you see it? It's coming up quickly. All right. So this on that one here. Can you see this test ads? So assuming this app is already linked to your Amazon account, this ads here will be real ads, and revenue will be going to your Amazon account. At the end of the month, you withdraw it into your local account. Can you see? So this on that one too. Here, an Instagram DP downloader too. Can you see? High advertisements. Assuming is linked to your account, you will get it will be real ads and you get paid. So look at another one too. There are many apps here. Social downloader app too. Can you see? Loading ad, assuming it was linked to your life account. The advertisement as it's coming up, money is going to your account. So I had different apps up for sale. Can you see? Different apps up for sale. So if you actually like want to actually be among earn from this, my link is below. Okay, chat me up. Let me lead you through this financial part myself. All right. So that's that. Okay, lastly, I have another quiz app. There are many apps up for sale. Many apps up for sale. Can you see? Many apps up for sale. Can you see? So my link is below. Chat me up. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. See my next video. Bye.